We're now ready to do this right here and going up on an angle. So this is only going to be 4 loops wide. So the connection is 1, and then you got to chain 3. And then we're going to follow exactly what we see here. So we don't really have to count if we have the visualization of the width and also the height that is already existing. And then in this particular one, when we create this new box, it's only going to be 5 rows tall. So let's begin this one. So we're now going to begin, and we come back down here and we connect. So get your yarn ready. And when you connect, if you just follow it straight on across, it's the back loop right here. And as I told you, I like to come from the back side when I'm grabbing that one and connect it. And we only need 4 loops on the hook. So this connection equals 1. And so then I only need 4. So we're gonna do then a total of 3 more. So this is number 2, 3, and 4. So maybe you want to count it like the slip stitch is 1, 2, 3, 4 to give you your 4 loops in your mind. To do the forward pass, just turn it and start collecting. Move it down the shaft, collect the next one, and then the 4th one is in the same connection spot. Make sure that the right side of the work is facing up, and I like to come in straight on down and connect it. Now, because it's connecting to something, there's no chain 1, just pull through 2 all the way back. So we've now just established the number of loops in the x-axis. So we're just going to follow the number of rows that we already can currently see happening. So forward pass. Don't forget to go into the back loop only of the next one that's in the next row. Connect, and then pull through 2s all the way back. So I'll see you closer to the top as we're building our way all the way there. So I'm coming all the way up on this side of the box. I can see in the return, there's nowhere else for me to go. So this should be a total of 7 rows tall. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 6.5. And so when I bind off, starting the second one over, I'm coming up over, just grab those verticals, grab the connection spot, and then go into both loops of the next empty one on the top, and that's your first one right there. Okay, so we know that this is 5 loops wide, so we start collecting across the tops. And the connection spot is in the back loop only right here. So it's the same height of the first row. And there's your 5 that you need. Then yarn over, pull through 2 all the way back. So this row is slightly wider than the last one. And we just continue to build up. And then reconnect to the next back loop that's available to you. And pull through 2 all the way back. So climb up this side of the box, and I'll be right back in a moment. So this box, we happen to know that it's only 6 rows tall. So we should have 5.5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where I am, I can't go any higher, so I know that I'm there. So you can either count it or you can trust yourself. And you start to do the bind off, which will give you the final row that you needed for that. In the connection spot, and then both loops of the new box to start the next one. And so now we know that this is 6 loops wide, so we start connecting or collecting those. And remember that 6th one is part of that chain 1 that is on the edge. And now you're back to 6. So you're not connecting to anything, so you chain 1, and then you pull through your 2s all the way back. And we know that this is 5 rows tall in this particular one. So what I want to do is just go back and forth, and I will have 4.5 done for you, 4.5 rows, and then we'll finish off together this particular one. So don't forget to come into that chain 1 at the edge, chain 1 because you're not connecting, and then choose all the way back. I'll see you at the end of 4.5 rows. So this is only going to be 5 rows tall. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4.5, and then I just do the bind off. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is the end of this color. And if you have to use it again, you'll have to rejoin it back and restart back at the base to go in the diagonal once again. So we're going to move on to your next one, which will be right here, going diagonal.